going to take these 3 items, a few tools, and we're going to build us a system to carry all our gear. This right here, I went down to Harbor Freight Harbor, whatever you called it. I picked this up for about 35 bucks. It's a Pelican knockoff waterproof case. That's going to be our base. What we're going to do is we're going to put some holes in it. We're going to mount it to the rack that came on the bike. We're going to stick this on top of it. This is a waterproof bag. I found this on eBay. These can be very expensive. This one is 40 liters. Carry all your rain gear, camera gear, camping gear, everything you don't want to get wet. Plus we're going to have it where it comes off the bike. We can throw it on our shoulder and we can travel with it. This right here was, I think, about 50 bucks. Got it off of eBay. And then your cargo bungee net, these are about 10 bucks in any motorcycle shop anywhere in this state. Then we're just going to use a few hand tools. It's all the tools you're going to need to do this job. First things first, let's get to our box. This is going to be the base of our foundation. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to basically take these right here. It's 2 pieces. We want to place these on our box somewhere, and we're going to do all 4 corners. Now we want to try to get it to where it's going to be the same width as our straps. Now I've already done one of these. I'm just doing it for you guys. I have one on my bike already. It's got stickers all over it. I'm trying to collect stickers from my travels. First thing we want to do is we want to take this little piece right here. We're going to put this right just like that. We're going to kind of eyeball it. It's going to be right there at the beginning of this little curve, dead center of our handle. We're not even going to mark holes. We're just going to kind of mark them with our, we're going to mark our holes with our drill. That is it. Get our little doohickeys out of there. Alright, we're going to go ahead, open up this case. Just want to get our hands on the back side. Take our nuts, get them started. Now if I was you, I'd use a lock washer. I don't have any for the video, but I would use a lock washer just so the vibrations don't make it come loose. Tight. Get that good and tight. That's it right there. That's it right there. You want to do this on all 4 corners. If somebody saw this going down the road, they'd be like, dude, that's an awesome box. Where'd you get that? Alright, you guys, so like I said, I already had one of these on my bike. This is the one I did a couple of months ago. The way we attached it to the rack is super simple. Well, I just drilled holes through it from the top down. And let me kind of show you real quick what we attached that with. We just used some really big oversized washer. It came with 4 of these straps right here that have this loop through it. So all we're going to do is we're just going to stick this through here and then just simply put this back through this hole. It's going to snap on there like that. So let me do all 4 of them real quick. Nice thing about this is if you were traveling and you need to pull into a hotel, or you were going to be on foot for the day and you don't want to leave your bag behind, you can just pop this off, leave your straps dangling if you want to, take the bag with you. I doubt somebody would just steal a strap. Alright, so we cinch that down tight. Here on this other side. Look how fast I'm moving. This is a easy job. Like I said, very few hand tools. Anybody can do this. I'm moving quickly because they're actually doing some concrete and brickwork on the house across the street from me. And they're on lunch break right now, so I'm trying to get it done. Alright, so we just center our bag up. Just pull these things tight. I'm going to show you something real cool. You're probably thinking to yourself, man, how am I going to get into that bottom box when I need to without having to deal with taking this off. Alright, so all we got to do if we want to get into our bottom box, just undo that, fold that forward, and our box opens up. So something I did on the box too, because I'm going to be carrying camera stuff or maybe my phone and I need to charge it. Basically, I just put a USB charger in here, run the wire through there to the battery. That's all you got to do. Alright, so our next piece of cargo gear here is our bungee strap. Can get tangled up on themselves. Easy. Alright. I'm just going to kind of lay this across our seat right here, and it has 3 hooks, one on each side, or 3 on each side. I'm sorry. It has 3 hooks, 3 on each side. You can get away with 2. If you lose one, break one. We're just going to hook this. 3 mounting locations. And that's it right there, guys. So I carry a lot with this right here. I've carried my jackets, hats. It holds a lot. So that's it, you guys, right there. We've got a $10 cargo strap, a $35 box, a $58 waterproof bag. So that's going to come up to right about $100, a little bit over, but it's going to get you started with everything you need. You can always pick up a tank bag. They have magnetic ones, straps. I just haven't picked one up yet, but this right here is going to do everything I need to do to get me out on my next adventure. So put the rubber to the road, my friends. This is Ride with Craig.